A strong thunderstorm will impact northeastern Laporte, northern Cass, and Berrien counties through 10:30 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:50 p.m.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, or 7 miles west of Buchanan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Niles, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Georgia, Buchanan, Fair Plain, Benton Heights, Bridgman, Berrien Springs, Hissopolis, Watervliet, Coloma, Marcellus, Stevensville, Shorewood Tower Hill, Paw Paw Lake, Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, Lake Michigan Beach, Brookhaven, and Dayton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 8 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass,